Welcome to Tips in a Minute, a series of quick tutorials that cover the basics of navigating the NIH Library's resources. This tutorial will cover how to reserve the NIH Library remote workspaces. To get started, head to the library's website at nihlibrary.nih.gov. Be sure you are logged onto the site. On the home screen, go to Services, and under Facilities, select Library Workspaces. Here is the Library Workspaces page. Click on Remote Access to Specialized Workstations. The first step is to make a reservation. As you can see, there are several remote workstations. Each offers a variety of software. Select the remote workstation that meets your needs. Let's reserve the Mac workstation. Select Remote Access, then pick your date and time. Then add details such as your first name, last name, the software needed, and your affiliation. Then you'll see your booking has been confirmed. The second step is to follow the instructions for accessing your reserved workstation. If you need help reserving a remote workspace or with logging in the library's website, click on Get Help and ask a question.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.